Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up ultimate free AI coding in VS Code using Cline and Gemini 2.5 Flash. I have already installed VS Code on my system. Now let's start the create setup. Open VS Code. Go to extensions. Go to search. Type Cline. Click on Cline. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Now Cline installed. Cline icon appear on IDE. Let's click on it. How will you use Cline? Absolutely free. Cline Pass, Frontier Model, Bring My Own API Key. Now select Bring My Own API Key. Click on Continue. Now configure your provider, API provider. Select Google Gemini, Gemini API Key. Now I will show you how to generate Google Gemini API Key. Go to web browser. Go to search. Type Google Studio. Hit enter. Click on first link, Google AI Studio. Click get started. I have already logged on through Google account. Click get API key. Click create API key. Name your key. I am giving it name Gemini 2.5 free. Choose an important project. Leave as default. Click on create key. Now key is generated. Copy this API key. Go to VS Code. Paste the copied key here. Select model. Select Gemini 2.5 Flash. Click continue. Now you can see Gemini 2.5 Flash model is selected. Now I am set project folder. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Select documents. Click new folder. I am giving it name new -project. Click select folder. Click mark done. Now folder is selected. Click on Cline. I am given it task. Write a calculator on Python. Hit enter. Now calculator code is generating. Click on save. Now task completed. Now you can see shell integration, but the task is completed. Minimize VS Code, minimize web browser. Double click on this PC. Click on documents. Double click on new project. Right click on calculator.py. Open with Python. Now calculator is open. So let's test it's working or not. I'm going to add some numbers. To add, press 1. Hit enter. Enter first number 56. Hit enter. Enter second number 44. Hit enter. Now output is 100. This means calculator is working. Hope you understand that. How to set up ultimate free AI coding in VS Code using Cline and Gemini 2.5 Flash. If you have any query, please write down on comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.